Okay, this video is going to be us walking through this naming flowchart. So I posted this exact image on Canvas for you, and I want to walk through it though. We'll do some examples and we'll kind of see how it works. So first let's just talk through what this means. So whenever I give you a compound, so say I give you something like NaCl. The very first thing that I need to do is name the cation. So remember, cation means our positively charged ion. So then the question is it a single element? Na, only one capital there, so yes, it is a single element. So I'm going to follow the yes. The next question says, is it a pattern metal? Meaning, is it in groups 1, 2, or 13? If we look at our periodic table, sodium is in group 1, so yes it is. So then all I need to do is write the name of the metal. So I'm just going to write sodium. Then it tells me I need to name the anion. So my anion here is Cl. So my first question says, is it a single element? Yes it is. So I need the root word plus IDE. So chlor, root word, plus IDE. And that's how we get sodium chloride. We'll walk through some other examples so you can see the other parts of this. So for example, if I had gotten to the question about is it a pattern metal and I would have said no, I then ask you if it's one of our 4 exceptions. Remember, if it's one of these 4 exceptions, it only has a single charge, so we only need to write the metal name. If it is not in group 1, 2, or 13, and it's not one of our exceptions, that's when you're going to have to calculate the charge. So I've put a little reminder here about how that's set up. And once you calculate that charge, you're going to write the name of the metal with the charge in parentheses using Roman numerals. So right there we're using Roman numerals. Oops. Then you're following that name the anion the same way, and there's only 2 options for naming the anion. Either the root word plus IDE like we just did, or you're going to just write the name of the polyatomic. Remember, the only polyatomic that I'm requiring that you know that's not on the back of your periodic table is hydroxide. So if you want to write yourself a little note, that's the only one that I will give you on a quiz or test or something like that that is not on the back of your periodic table. Now, if you're doing some of the posted practice review or something like that, you may see some other examples.